Seirin has long been the industry standard for acupuncture needle manufacturing. In the 80s, they were the first company to develop the disposable needle during the AIDS crisis. Some of Seirin's standout features unique to their manufacturing process are precision tip grinding, silicone coating the tip for smoother insertion, a mirror finish smoothness of the needle shaft even to allow for low nickel content, ultrasonic binding of the plastic handle to the tube, no waste manufacturing of the plastic handle, and strong Japanese grade stainless steel even in a thin gauge. These features are what make Seirin needles, also known as the painless one, a favorite amongst practices where the patient comfort is a must, such as cosmetic or pediatric acupuncture, or even for those very sensitive patients. Seirin were the first to manufacture the plastic handle. There are no tabs to hold the needle in place. They use a unique bonding technique to the side of the tube, which makes the release the same pressure each time. Simply click to release and tap to needle. Do not confuse this with needles which use pressure to release. Seirin's handles are color-coded according to gauge size, so they can be easily identified. Don't be shy to ask for them by color.